Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to send a video with text on Telegram chat on your PC with the latest updates. Follow these steps to share your videos with captions. To start, open WhatsApp Web on your PC by accessing the web version through your browser. Next, open the chat where you want to send the video. Click on the chat to enter the conversation. Within the chat interface, locate the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip. Click on this icon to access the attachment options. From the attachment options, select Photos and Videos to choose the video you wish to send in the chat. Browse through your files and select the video you want to share. Once you've chosen the video, click Open to attach it to the chat. Below the attached video, you'll find a caption bar where you can type the text you want to accompany the video. Enter your desired text in the caption bar. After adding your text, click the Send button to share the video along with the text in the Telegram chat. By following these steps, you can easily send a video with text in a Telegram chat on your PC, allowing you to personalize your messages and communicate effectively with others. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to send videos with captions in a Telegram chat on your PC. Enjoy sharing moments and expressing yourself through videos and text messages on the platform.